Okay, so if you have been looking for the easiest way on how to make money online, then take this free Make Money Online course, and in 30 days, come and tell me how much you have withdrawn directly into your local bank account in the comment section. Now, I initially planned to sell this Earn from Survey course for 30,000 Naira, but I changed my mind. A lot of my students have already made a lot of money from it. So I thought about it and I decided to publish this entire course as a public video on YouTube for you. So if you do everything in this course, you will make money. It's that simple. So now, for those of you that have been looking for real courses, not just clickbait YouTube videos, but you don't have the money to pay for those courses so that you can take them and make money, this is your chance. Don't worry, I won't delete this course from YouTube. So chill, you can always come and rewatch again and again. But however, if you're serious about making money very quickly, then be sure to watch the entire playlist. They are here on YouTube. Start now, and if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. But before we get to that, this very quick update. Now, in line with our vision as Secret Digital to make online business easy and discourage the fear of fraud and being scammed, I've just started offering escrow services. So if you want to buy any digital product or service from anyone in Nigeria online, or you want to sell but you are scared to make payment so that they don't run away with your money or something, you can bring the person, and Circle Digital can stand as middleman between the customer and the service provider so that both of the buyers and the sellers can have a smooth business experience. You can reach out to me using the WhatsApp contact in the video description if you're interested. So let's get over to the video.
In our lesson 1, we'll be discussing the list of survey websites. You have to know there are a lot of survey apps that pay, a lot of them. You just have to know which is the right one. So I am using Chrome because I just want to show you the list of survey websites. Don't use Chrome for anything you'll be doing. So the first one is Ipsos ICs. I'm doing this to show you how they look like. That's Ipsos ICs UK. Remember that most of the things we'll be doing is UK for the survey apps and stuff. Why? Because UK is flexible to register on this UK website compared to US and others. So that is it. Ipsos IC. This one is about taking survey, and the tutorial today will be on Ipsos IC. So if you can know how to register on Ipsos IC, to register on the other apps would not be a problem. After Ipsos ICs, we have freecash.com. This free cash, trust me, you can make a lot of money, but the free cash is majorly gaming. So if you know you have time, this is free cash. This is how it is. You just sign up. If you know you have time, like enough time to devote to gaming, and aside that, you make sure that you have enough data, because the games have a lot of MB, like a whole lot of MB. Preferably, you might even install the game maybe in the midnight if you know you don't want to waste your data and all. But you can make a lot of money. I've made over £500 from this free cash, and I've been playing it since last year. So you just make sure you don't get tired, because the games might be tiring, but you make sure you don't get tired. So the next one is zoombox.com. So for this Zoombox, it's all about games and surveys too, but it's preferable for survey, this Zoombox. And then for Zoombox, one thing I like Zoombox about is you can withdraw any amount, even if it's $2. The withdrawal for Zoombox starts with $2, and once you get started, they give you 800 points, and it's 2,000 points that is $2. So Zoombox is a very, very nice website. All these websites I'm giving you, they are websites I have made money from personally, so I'm not scamming, or it's real. They are all real. You can even make your research about them. Then there's another one is apg.com. This is also a survey site. This APG, you can only start making money from $5. Once your money has gotten to £5, remember it's UK, sorry, so £5. So when you get to apg.com, load. I just want you all to see the interface. Yeah, this is how apg.com is. So you sign up for it. Then there is another one, inbox There's inbox dollars, there's inbox pounds. Inbox dollars is for USA, inbox pounds is for UK. This is inbox pound. Have you seen it? .co.uk. Then there is Swagbox. This one is a popular one. A lot of people know Swagbox. This is Swagbox. If you want to sign up for Swagbox, this is where you're going to click on. Then there is Life Point. There is 5 surveys. There is YouGov.uk. There is Survey Llama. All those ones. There are a lot of them. But these ones I listed out for you. These ones I listed that and showed you. They are ones I've made money from, and they are not that stressful. You don't need to take surveys for hours before you make your money. Do you get? So along the line, probably after all the lessons, you can reach out to me and I'll tell you other survey sites you can register on. But trust me, you need just 2. If you can focus your attention on just 2 of these ones I've showed you, just 2 of them, because the more you go to other websites, the more you don't have time to cover up and everything. But if you can focus on just 2 of them, trust me, you'll make a lot of money. In a month, you'll be making like £50, and that's even if you are not fully devoted. If you are not using your laptop, if you are just using your phone. And all these things are also determined by the VPN you use. This is the VPN we use. This is Mysterium VPN. I've been using it for over 1 year, close to 2 years now, and it's very nice because it is but it's a paid VPN. You can reach out to me if you want the VPN. Then always remember, you use Microsoft Edge browser or Samsung Internet browser for your survey. Don't use Chrome. So once you're on your VPN, you use Microsoft Edge or Samsung Internet browser to access them. So that will be all for now in this lesson.
Okay, so if you have any question regarding any aspect of this, drop them in the comment section. Myself and my admin will do our best to give you good answers. So if you have done everything that you have learned in this lesson, then let's get over to the next lesson.